open because I'm on film. There's no sun, it's really hard to see.
Mm-hmm.
I just had to get the net wet. So cool little creature here. You know what that is?
What's that?
It's a baby seahorse. Should I go through the fish?
We're on the move. The hunt has begun.
There's a lot of grass down there.
We're stranded. We should have arrived, but they can't save us. We've gone too far. Our mistakes are our own. The only thing that can save us is CJ Lafusi in the strength of the human spirit and his arm. There's hope. A ray of hope shines in the darkness. The year is 2014. Much of the earth, well, it's always been really covered in water, but now it's 99.9999% water. We found the rest of the land.
Hello!
That's my brother. I'll eat him eventually. But until then, we must find other survivors.
Mountain Shape Pass. It's loaded with mangrove snapper. They call them snap because they snap. You don't want to stick your finger in there. There's all kinds of fish that live around oyster bars. Sea trout, mackerel, redfish, mainly things in the drum family. Oh, you missed him.
I missed him. Go. I did everything I knew how to do.
Oh my
And that fish just got away. He don't know what he's missing. But I know what I'm missing. A shrimp.
Oh my.
That's right. So now I'll show you how to bait a hook. Alright? You gotta give me one of them shrimp first, cameraman. I know you don't know much about fishing, but those is called shrimp. You hand me one of them shrimps. Be careful now, because them's gonna snap you. They'll bite. They're poisonous shrimp. We like to put the poison in them because it dulls the fish's senses. It's just a little mean thing we like to do.
Oh my God.
Alright, let me show you. Let me show you how to cast this thing. You see, you gotta open this little thing so the wire, it can just go on free whenever you want. You put it behind you and go, wow! And then bam! And we in the water. Then you just watch that little bobber out there, and when that shit goes under, it's like bam, bam, bam! It might take a while because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Does he have no battery?
What? It should be like 35 minutes of battery. Oh! Oh my God! Oh, what is this?
He got his first sea trout.
Oh! What is this? Oh, what happened? Where's your home? It's in there! What you doing out here, buddy? This is where I live! See? That's what I'm talking about. They don't know what, they don't... And that's how you fish! Alright, let me see if I can do this without dying. Come here. Come here, you little bastard.
fish out there.
Come here. Now, how do you do this? This is how you do this. Alright? You look in the fish's mouth and you go, I'm so fucking sorry that someone put a hook in your mouth. I would never do that. But just today. And then you try to get it out without killing him. I'm sorry. Sounds Gorman. I wouldn't do that if someone was pulling a knife out of me. There you go. And then how do I? There you go. I'm trying to let you live. Alright. Do I have to do the whole water thing?
No, nigga.
Alright! And that's how you catch a fish. Just like that.
It's another lizard fish. It's probably the one I shouldn't have let go in the first place. They have teeth. They look like a lizard.
Oh, cool. Got it.
They're really ugly. And they like to sit over the grass. A lot of bait floods over it and they're camouflaged to it. and they just eat everything that comes by. The more I talk, the less I catch. That's a big trout.
Holy shit.
Oh!
I am glad I just backed up.
Back up. Got a sea trout.
Careful.
He's a nice little guy.
Mm-hmm.
It's bright out. It's a bright day for those with a dark future.